Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mandal Sirsot. And again, withdrawal time, brother. This is the withdrawal time. Very nice. Withdraw $546. Every week, my target is $1,000 profit, and my commission is approximately $500, which is great. Next week, I will hit the target $4,000 very easily. So every week my commission is approximately $500. Okay, so click on payout, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, wallet address, country India. Okay, submit. The notification is here. Payout of 546 from this wallet. This is my first payout, second payout, third payout. This is my fourth payout. I hope all are enjoying my Forex fund. Thank you.
Hello dear friends, welcome to Mandal Sirsot, and after 24 hours we just received the withdraw. This is the payout confirmation email. You can check date and time. I can refresh for your confirmation. Yes, and just 46 minutes before we got $546 from MYFOREX fund. So I have taken in my Binance account, as you see here. This is deposit 0.3188 ETH Ethereum. You can check date and time. So I received $3,328. This is my fourth withdraw. Okay, and next after $1,000 profit, I think $900 profit next week, we achieve $4,000 profit target, and I will get new $30,000 account. Okay, so I hope all are enjoying. You can check my notification. So this is my fourth withdraw. So money is here. If you know about trading, first withdraw, second withdraw, third withdraw, fourth withdraw, it's amazing, it's life changing profit. So first learn, then earn. Money earning is very easy. You have to learn first. Thank you.